going to be doing the American sweet challenge, and I found these at the shop. So let's get started.
Okay, I think we're gonna go for fudge brownie cookie dough bites. I've tried the cookie dough ones. I have not tried these, so do go and get American sweet. I can't really see. Let's try and
Oh yeah, because I'm
get them here. There we go. In the lights. Yeah, there we go. We have to put it there in the light. Okay, and it isn't backwards. It might look backwards to us because we're watching it back from the screen, but Google automatically switches it over.
What do you mean?
Do you know how this looks backwards now?
Yeah.
Google will switch it over because it looks backwards to us. Something switches it over. Okay, I don't know what switches it over, but something switches it over. Grab one. Okay. One,
What does
two.
cookie dough taste like?
Not cookie dough, it's fudge brownie.
Oh, is it?
1, 2, 3. Mmm. I think Rosie likes it. That sounds really good.
Oh,
But outside the camera. Don't open the door. Rosie, wait. Rosie, got a towel. Rosie, got a towel here. Okay, spit over there. Spit over there before I put the towel. She's spitting outside the camera. She's gonna go and fetch tissue. If you can hear noises in the background, that's just Mum. Look, I wish it was a weekend. It's not even the weekend, but still, we don't have school. Because it's holidays. We're gonna make gingerbread house today.
and decorate cookies for Santa.
Yeah, okay.
And then
Mint dark chocolates.
I want to have one of them.
Okay, Rose doesn't like dark chocolate, so she's not going to try it. But this is mint dark chocolate M&Ms.
I'm going to get one out and then I'll show it to the camera properly.
Try not to rip the logo.
Oh well.
No, I'll
Yeah,
try
you
not
are.
to.
Because it's so light.
You know what it tastes like?
What?
Tastes like After Eight.
Really?
Literally. Try one. Just try one. It actually tastes like After Eight. If you're from America and you don't know what After Eights are, they're like minty dark chocolatey thingy. And the mint, and then the mint's inside of it. It's like gooey mint inside. It's really good. So I love these. They're actually really nice, aren't they? I love them. Now I don't know what these taste like, but still I'm going to try one. We're going to split it in half, one of these. But I love Reese's peanut butter cups. I've already had them. And if you know me at school, if you see me eating them, they are amazing. That's why I eat them, because they're amazing. Okay, we're going to eat one to share, okay?
Next after this, we're going to do the Wonka Nerds.
No, they're exactly the same. Look at the logos. They're exactly the same.
Yeah, but we're still going to try both of them.
Yeah.
These are Wonkas and these
Okay.
aren't.
It's like same. Okay.
They might look like there's Wonka in the middle, that's all.
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't. Oh yeah, that's Nestle. Do you like it?
No.
Yeah. I'm not eating that either.
Meow, meow,
You bit it.
meow, meow.
Just love. I'm in love. Okay, you get the next one.
Next, we're going to try the... Hang on, I'll do it.
Surf and Turf Nerds.
The Nerds.
Surf and Turf Nerds, and they are.
The Wonka ones. First, we're going to try the Road Rash Raspberry.
And then we're going to try the Totally Tropical Punch. Then after we've done the Wonka Nerds, we're going to do the next nerds after that.
So first, let's get these ones open. If you can hear that, it's Grandad.
Yeah, it's my mum talking to my granddad.
Hopefully it doesn't come in to say bye.
Okay.
Hopefully.
We'll have to, not there.
Oh, where?
It's
Oh.
a two sides. We have side one and then side two.
Oh,
Nink. Come here. Come here. Don't make the video too long.
it
This
doesn't
side.
open. Ugh, this video I'm going to back out. I'm going.
Okay, it's not going to work. We're going to have to split through the middle. I'm sorry, but we're going to have to split through the middle. There we go. Got some. Okay, the side.
You've got to have one.
Sorry. Okay, I'll get more now. Whoa! I love them, they're sour. I've tried the great ones before. I love these.
And that's really sour, the great ones.
Super sour. The Nestle are the sourest. The Wonkers are alright, not too sour, but the Nestle is the sourest. The grape sour ones.
Strawberry and grape in there.
That's probably really sour.
Strawberry one.
I like that.
What's the next one we've got to try?
Totally Tropical Punch. That's actually sounds really nice.
Yeah.
I've had punch before, have you? I was very little and it's Princess Punch. Disney Princess Punch, yeah, but it's still punch.
Next one to try, after this we're going to try,
Nestle Nerds.
And then after that,
Oh! You want the punch?
I like sour.
Do you want the punch?
I like sour.
Don't know. I haven't tried them. Get one. Hang on. And that.
I'm only having one.
I'm gonna mix them. There. I'm mixing. There we go. Mix. Okay, let's try and mix.
You're such a baby. That's not sour.
I love sour things.
That is not sour.
If you had things like me, it was dead sour.
That tastes like punch, yeah. I'm gonna have a punch.
This is raspberry punch mixed sour. Really nice. I'm gonna eat them later.
I can do it.
Put them in.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to. Me, no, I know what you're supposed to do.
You push down there.
No.
Push down.
You push it out like this. Slide. It says slide.
Okay, I'm gonna pause you a sec. Guys,
We have just tried these, but we forgot to play the camera again.
and then I told you how she lies. When she doesn't like something sour, she goes. So 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
I've already gone. Look at my teeth. And now I've lost a teeth. Okay, I teeth that out. So. Okay, I've got next one. After these.
Ah! Oh,
Yeah, but I really didn't like that.
I'm a bit more cheeky.
Oh! Grapes. That's not next.
This is the last one.
No,
These have got to be the last one because they've just stuck them down there for ages.
Yeah, those are the last ones, okay. But
Just one.
we've got one. You sure? You having that much?
Ah.
Well, if I can have that much, you can have that much. 1, 2,
I'm going to
3.
switch that one for the...
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
And then... I got sour.
Yep. They're really sour.
No.
How many did you have? 2 teeny ones. I had about 15 big ones. Try again. Try again.
No.
Try again with that. That's sour.
Ah, sorry. Next we're having some
Orchard Skittles.
Oh, there's some strawberry.
Oh, the flavours. We have lime, peach, orange, red apple, and cherry.
Red apple.
You want red apple? I want lime, peach, red apple, cherry, and orange. I want all of them. Okay, I can try all of them.
I want. Let's see what I'll pick out.
I've got orange, I think. Yeah.
I think I've got red apple. Or
Yeah, you got
cherry.
red. You got red apple. The orange shouldn't taste like orange. I'm sorry, Skittles.
Oh, red
Orchard.
apple doesn't taste like red apple.
Let me try it.
Does it?
It does. Tastes like orange. The orange doesn't taste like orange. But red apple tastes like red
What
apple.
does it taste like the orange?
Tastes like if you put orange in a blender with like 1,000 tons of water, then put milk in it. It's horrible. Okay, now I'm on to peach. I'm having peach.
Not peach or orange again.
Peach. Tastes like peach. Peach tastes like peach. I'm just disappointed with the orange. That's what I'm disappointed with. What did you just have?
Orange. Well, actually, we'll spit it out.
You don't spit it out in here.
I've already spitted it out.
You're doing it in the spit corner.
Get cherry. Where's cherry? There's cherry.
Cherry, chocolate cherry.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I drank blood of Simon. That's our last one because look what the time's getting to.
Oh yeah, we better hurry up because we can't have too long. We have to have under 15 minutes, so we're going to try and get 14. So let's try it with Butterfinger. Got Butterfinger now. If I like this, I'll carry on eating it afterwards.
It's nice.
Whoa! Hang on, I'm going to squirt.
What?
Read this description. Try it.
No, let me read the description.
There's a tea country and peanut butter. Oh, you didn't like the peanut butter cups, did you? She's not going to like this then.
I'll open this one ready. So,
Amazing.
Gobstoppers.
Our family live and breathe Gobstoppers. That's all we eat. Is Gobstoppers. And at Christmas time, all we eat is chestnuts. Because, yeah, we love chestnuts. And Easter, all we eat is chestnuts. Rosie.
God.
Okay, I've got one. Rosie!
Okay.
Good. Come on.
No, we're both having the cherry.
No, I want this one. Who cares? 1, 2, 3.
No, I'm going to have 2, so I'm going to be brave. I have 2.
Do you know these colour change? Didn't I just put purple in my mouth? No, it's red. Oh, yeah, put red in my mouth. Yours turned to red. Have your mouth. Look. Not yet. Pause for a minute and then we'll come back. Guys, update. I've changed a little bit. Look, it's not red anymore. It's a pinky peach kind of colour. Guys, it's turned to orange now. Guys, it's turned to pink. Rosie's has turned to pink. It looks orange, but it's pink. Okay, guys, so mine's a really, really light pink. It's almost white.
And it's changed.
I look like somebody off Milan.
Mine is changed.
Guys, that one's gone like really pink. But on that note, we're gonna have to say something, Rosie.
1 minute.
What?
1 minute. I need to try something.
What is your
You think?
Okay, this is what I got her for Christmas. But because we're crazy idiots, we did this gift exchange on the 23rd. Yeah.
Yoo-hoo!
It's probably going to be uploaded on the 24th. So everybody might not think we're weird.
It's Capri Sunday. It's Capri Sunday. It's Capri Sunday.
Okay, what we're going to say? We're going to say something.
And we've got to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.